Do you want to stop Siri from listening in on your conversations? Are you looking for a quick and easy way to turn off Siri on your iPhone? In this video, I will show you step-by-step instructions on how to easily turn off the voice assistant. With just a few simple taps and swipes of the screen, you'll be able to quickly disable Siri and protect your privacy. So make sure to watch this video until the very end to learn how. To get started, open up the settings of your iPhone and then scroll down until you see an option called Siri and Search. Tap on it once you've found it. So when you are on this screen, you need to toggle off two different options to turn off Siri on your iPhone. First, toggle off Listen for Hey, Siri, and then toggle off Press Side button for Siri. Tap on Turn off Siri. And now you have successfully turned off Siri on your iPhone. If you ever want to use it again, you have to toggle those two options back on. So that wraps up this tutorial. If you have any questions about this whole process, please let me know in the comments section below. And if this video helped you out, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more tutorial videos like this one. Thank you so much for watching and have a good day.